This is the first lecture video about Albert Einstein's paper called On the Electrodynamics of Moving Bodies. In the first paragraph, Einstein presents a conundrum or inconsistency about Maxwell's electrodynamics and how that relates to moving bodies. So we already see why the title of this paper includes the phrase moving bodies. Einstein proceeds to describe a specific physical situation, which is the relative motion between a magnet and a conductor. If you are new to physics, a conductor is something that allows for the flow of electricity, or just electricity. Here I have drawn a spherical conductor, or a conductor that is a sphere. Copper is a material that allows for the flow of electricity or the flow of electrons. So that is why the color of the sphere is brown or copper. I have also drawn a magnet, which has a south pole and a north pole. That is why the red part has an N and the navy blue part has an S. Recall that the physical situation that Einstein examines is the relative motion between a magnet and a conductor, as written here. In order for there to be relative motion, or motion of one object relative to another object, at least one of the objects should be moving with respect to the other object. We have two objects, a conductor and a magnet. So there are two ways or cases for this relative motion to occur. The first case is that the magnet is moving and the conductor is stationary. And the second case is that the conductor is moving and the magnet is stationary. I have attempted to illustrate movement by drawing white lines. These two processes have something in common. In each case, current through the conductor is observed. This can be verified experimentally. So we have recreated Einstein's thought experiment about two scenarios or two cases and identified a common experimental observation. This is the jumping off point for Einstein's paper because he noticed and realized that all that really matters as far as observation goes is the relative motion between the two objects. During his life, or during this time period, these two physical situations were treated differently. One was treated with an electromotive force, or an EMF, and the other was treated with a current. Einstein's point in just one paragraph is that the underlying phenomenon of relative motion leads to a deeper understanding of what is actually happening when one of these two objects moves. I hope you enjoyed this lecture video and feel free to leave a comment or question. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.